Welcome to our channels. Thank you for giving us the opportunity. Thank you for watching our videos. I am Xavier and my wife Aileen Xavier. We are teaming up together to bring you this video. It's a banana bread video that we're going to try to make. We find this recipe, we like it. We hope that you would also like it. It's a simple recipe for a banana nut bread, but we're going to try it together. This is the first time we're trying it. So if you see any little mistake that probably was made in the process, please forgive our little mistake and focus on the whole picture. All we're trying to do is trying new things so we can enjoy whatever we're making here in this house. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. These are the ingredients that we're going to use today. We have the dry ingredients. We have a banana nut bread mix here. I'm going to add a little bit of all-purpose flour. And we're going to use a little bit of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to get the granulated sugar, about like 1 cup of granulated sugar. We will use vanilla extract, will be about like 1 teaspoon of that. Just a little bit of water, about like 4 ounces of water, not a lot. And 4 eggs, 4 overripe bananas, and of course butter. So we're going to mix it. I already melted the butter for you. So the butter is melted. So I'm going to show you what we melted. This is the melted butter that was melted. We're going to mix it. We're going to mix it with the eggs. We're going to mix the dry ingredient in this bowl and the wet ingredient in this small bowl, and then mix. We're going to put it in that baking pan here so we can bake it for about 1 hour. It would be, you know, when it's cooked, if you can put a fork on it and the fork come back clean, then it is cooked. Put everything here. Alright, I'm going to start by cracking my eggs. I need 4 eggs. I got 4 eggs here. This egg. Find the rest of it over here. 2nd egg. Third egg. And 4th egg. Remember, when you're cooking, the main thing you have to remember is to keep the area where you're cooking clean. So that will help you to keep things sanitary so you don't get sick from whatever you're cooking. Now we have our eggs cracked, so just gonna mix them rather than, you don't have to make it so finely battered, but you want to make sure that the yolk is well mixed with the white. I mean, you can have, there's plenty of equipment they sell at the stores. You can just buy them, and then they have different mixtures. You can just mix it with. Make sure that it's well mixed together. It looks okay, but mine a little bit more. Make sure there's no piece of the scale that's still on it, okay? Eggs pretty much ready to go. Okay, we're gonna put butter with the egg later. So now we're gonna mix the dry ingredients. This is a pre-made bag. We can use the pre-made bag. That's what we're gonna do now. This is coming from Chiquita Banana. So we're gonna open the bag. Depending on what you're making, you probably would not need more flour, but you also could need more flour depending on what you're making. Seems like we probably have enough flour here.
I think so.
Okay, so we don't need to add more flour on it. However, okay, now I'm crushing the bananas. It's like crushing with potato for a mashed potato, pretty much the same thing. Make sure that you crush it enough, but you don't mash it too finely. This is 4 bananas I put on this recipe because it's a banana nut bread, so definitely you need the banana taste on it. We need to taste the banana. You don't want to make a banana nut bread without the taste of the banana, because the banana is supposed to be the star of the dish. So the taste of the banana is supposed to rise. Okay, so that's almost done. Don't crush it too finely. You don't need to crush it too finely. Just do it like you would do for a mashed potato. Okay, that's good for that. So now I'm going to put my butter and the egg. And I can keep this here going when I need it. Make sure the oil is not hot, because what can happen, it would cook the egg. We don't want that. Okay, as you see, it did not cook the egg. So we did a good job with that. Alright, continue swirling it. And then I'm gonna put a bit of sugar. Maybe about like 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons.
That's tablespoon.
Well, that's tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. And that should be enough for this, because this has sugar already. We don't really want it to be too sugary. Okay, now we got the dry ingredients ready. So we're going to put our nuts in the dry ingredients. We're going to put the whole bag in. This is almond. Mix it well. Just proportion on. Now I mix the almond, the dry ingredients together. So I'm going to mix the butter with the banana, with the egg. Oh, looks good. Looks good. Okay, gonna mix those together. And now all you have to do now is to mix wet ingredient into dry ingredient. That's it. We have water there in case we need more. It's smelling good. Okay. And use both spoon. Make sure you mix it well. Ça smelling like a champion. Very good. So now I'm going to put, after I mix it, I'm going to put a couple of drops of vanilla extract on it. This is my little take on the recipe. The recipe itself did not call for it, but I think it will taste better if you have a little bit of vanilla extract in it. So really we don't need more water, it's liquid enough. I keep the water there in case we needed it. So we probably don't need it, we don't actually need it. So this is my vanilla extract. Brand new, so I'm going to put a couple of drips on it. That should be enough. About like half of a tablespoon of a teaspoon. If I think it needs a bit more, I might put a little bit more, but let's see. Let me finish mixing it first and I will find out if I need more. Oh man, this is smelling good. Okay, the verdict is a couple more drips. That's enough. That's enough. Put that to the side. Continue the mixing. Make sure there's no powder stays on the bottom. Do the best you can to remove any powder that would have been hidden on the bottom, because it's going to make a ball on the bottom of the banana bread. You don't want that. All right. So now we going to preheat our oven. Oven is preheated at 350. So while we mixing, the oven gonna warm up. It's about 3 to 5 minutes for the oven to warm up. This bowl we don't need. Have to remove that to the side. I'm putting the mixture in the pan. And then we're going to put it in the oven for about 45 minutes to 1 hour until it's well done. That looks good, that smells good. So this is, when it rises up, it's going to rise all the way to the top there. And until it is brownish, and you can check to make sure that it is cooked. You can put a spoon or a knife. guys, this is the final product. This is how you know it is cooked. You take a knife, put in the middle, you pull the knife out, the knife is clean. See, when the knife is clean, that means it is cooked. It looks good, smells good. Oh, we know it's gonna taste good. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this little video with us. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for taking your time to give us opportunity to show you what we know. This is to try new recipes really. Please subscribe to our channel and send us comments and let us know what you like to see us doing to so you can enjoy what we do. Thank you. I appreciate you and God bless.